In today's connected cities, every traffic light, sensor, and cabinet is part of the network, yet each is a potential entry point for attack. This puts our connected traffic systems at risk. A recent traffic control penetration test showed attackers could access the customer's network within minutes and successfully access the remaining network, finding very little defenses or alarms to prevent deeper penetration. Most traffic solution providers admit their responsibility ends at the software. The network connection, the path attackers use, is left completely unprotected. PacketViper picks up where the vendor stops and protects the network, stopping threats before they start. Our cyber-physical capabilities can detect physical motion while preemptively containing threats by limiting source access to the remaining network automatically at every edge location. PacketViper picks up where the vendor stops by adding visibility, physical and digital proactive defense, and containment. PacketViper's OT360 compute edge platform transforms the way cities operate by extending mainstream enterprise applications while supporting custom-built local applications, and includes advanced enforcement tools like cyber-physical protection deployed directly to the edge. Our unified platform allows cities to run analytics, enhance security, while monitoring and enforcing in real time. PacketViper, preemptive, automated defense for the digital and physical edge of every city. Let's make your network safer, smarter, and ready for tomorrow. Call us today.